Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen. My name is Josh Michael, and with me is Ingles chef, Chef Kale. Now, what we're about to cook and many other recipes, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. It already smells good here in the Chef's Kitchen. What are we doing here today?
We're going to do a spicy clam basil broth beautifulness for summer and spring.
Perfect. Sounds good. How do we get started?
All right, we have some olive oil in our pan.
All right.
It's good and hot. Go ahead and hand me the garlic.
All right, garlic.
Now this recipe depends on how hot you like your food. And I like mine a little spicy, so
excellent.
We're gonna go like that. And this is just red chili flakes that you'd put on a pizza.
Yeah, spice it up there.
It's about a tablespoon or so.
Okay.
Go ahead and hand me the clams.
All right, clams. Now you can get these like in the Ingles like meat section.
Absolutely.
Or okay.
So these came in IQF. They were already frozen, so you don't have to worry about them opening or closing.
What is the rule on the opening closing though?
Sure.
If it's fresh? I mean.
So if it's fresh, what you want to do is that they'll be good and tight and closed.
Okay.
And when you cook them, they'll gradually open up. If you find some in your pan after that you've already cooked them that are
still closed,
get rid of them.
Okay.
Okay. So after you get that rocking and rolling, you're going to hit it with some white wine.
Yeah.
Off the heat always, anytime you're using any liqueur.
Okay.
And then you're just going to throw some tomatoes in.
All right. Chef, this is smelling and looking so good already.
Good. Okay. So let's fillet out. We're just going to steam that.
Okay.
Let her go. So we're going to fillet out a lemon. That way we don't get any seeds in there. So you just kind of go along the rind.
Right.
That way there's no seeds.
Easy enough.
Squeeze some acid in there.
Yeah.
We're going to chiffon out some basil.
I remember this from last time.
What does it mean?
I don't know what it means, but I remember you teaching me how to do it.
It means ribbons.
Ribbons.
You're going to finish it with that. Always finish fresh herbs at the end of your sauce, otherwise they turn too bitter. Now we're going to monte a beurre, which means put cold butter in a hot sauce with butter.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And that's the last thing you do, huh?
That's it. So you let that go, let the butter go in, let it steam, and when it comes out.
All right. Magic TV right here. This is why it smells so good in the Chef's Kitchen.
And then you're going to accompany it with a little bit of the baguettes. And I just put some compound butter, just some easy parsley, roasted garlic on there.
I'll tell you what, Chef Kale, that looks absolutely amazing. It smells so good. You've got to try this recipe. I know a lot of people, sometimes they're worried about the clams and opening and closing.
Right.
But you get them like this from Ingles.
Mm-hmm.
You got nothing to worry about.
And they're $4 a pound.
Perfect. That's awesome. This recipe and many others, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. From our kitchen to yours. Enjoy.